Hello students, this is Nikhil sir. Today we are going to learn about resources and development from the chapter 1 Geography. We are surrounded by both living and non-living things that are useful to us in one way or another. Like sun gives us heat, trees provide us with wood that we use to make furniture, and animals provide us with food. So everything that is available in our environment from which some kind of benefit can be derived is known as resource. Let's proceed and learn about classification of resources. Here are the four classification of resources. On the basis of origin, there are biotic and abiotic resources. On the basis of exhaustibility, we have renewable and non-renewable. On the basis of ownership, we have individual, community, national and international. On the basis of status of development, we have potential, developed, stock and reserves. Let's study in detail each. Now here we have on the basis of origin, biotic and abiotic resources. Biotic resources are obtained from biosphere and have life such as human beings, flora and fauna, fisheries, livestock, etc. Abiotic resources are composed of non-living things, example rocks and metals. On the basis of exhaustibility, we have renewable and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources can be renewed or reproduced by physical, chemical, or mechanical processes. For example, solar, wind energy, water, etc. Non-renewable resources occur over a very long geological time. Minerals and fossil fuels are examples of such resource. This resource takes millions of years in the formation. On the basis of status of development, potential resources are those resources which are found in a region but have not been utilized. For example, Rajasthan and Gujarat have enormous wind and solar energy but have not been developed properly. Developed resources which are surveyed and their quantity and quality have been determined for utilization. Stock, materials which have potential to satisfy human needs but human beings do not have appropriate technology to access this are included among stock. For example, water is a compound of two gases, hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen can be used as a rich resource of energy, but we do not have advanced technological support to use it, hence it is considered as a stock. Reserves. This can be used for meeting future requirements. River water can be used for generating hydroelectric power, but presently it is being utilized only to a limited extent. On the basis of ownership, we have individual resources that are owned privately by individuals like house, car, and also a farmer having his own land. Community-owned resources are accessible to all the members of the community, example public parks, playgrounds, village ponds, etc. National resources are the resources that belong to the nation. The country has legal powers to acquire even private property for public goods. Like you might have seen roads, canals, railways being constructed on fields owned by some individuals. International resources are those resources in which international institutions regulate some resource. Like the oceanic resource beyond 200 km of the exclusive economic zone belong to open ocean and no individual country can utilize this without the concurrence of international institutions. That's all. In our next session, we are going to learn about land resources and its utilization. Thank you.